Welcome back to the channel, Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna install the vent visors. I've been selling these vent visors for years and I realized I have not done install video on them. So today is the day we're gonna install the install the vent visor in this video. So those vent visors are good for any body style Outlander that looks like this. Doesn't matter the year, doesn't matter if it's PHEV or gas, it's all the same. If your Outlander looks like this, then you can install them. And there's few things you need to know. So of course you always want to start with cleaning up the surface. I'll do that in a second here with glass cleaner, alcohol rub. Make sure there's no fingerprints, no dirt, dust, anything like that. All four windows down as we install them, so it's important that windows are down. And I can show you how the box looks. So they come in a box like this, and you know, I'm gonna clean up the windows right now. And the way you need to install, it's best if you have any type of pick like this, because there's this rubber that we need to tangle there a little bit, and some type of screwdriver will work too. So you can do it also without it, but it's just gonna be a lot harder. So I'll show you that in a sec. So let me roll down all four windows, let me clean up the surface, and then we'll unpack what's in the box there, and we'll get it installed. To complete this install, we're going to be using the back of the Outlander to put all the elements out, but of course you can put them whatever you want. We're going to just fold the seats down here and have a look at what's in the box here. So my number one thing I always say, don't rush. Whenever you do those installs, allocate enough time where you can take your time, put them all out. Like, look at this video, do step by step. You have enough time, so you have no time pressure, and just enjoy the process. So I opened up the box and it looks like this. So we do have instruction in there, but that instruction might be sometimes hard to follow. So I find that these steps that we have in this video are going to be a lot easier to follow. So we have installation and handling. Again, I've been selling these things for years, and people figure out the way how to install it based on instruction and everything else, but I thought I'd do this video. So there are some pins and some things in here that we will need in install, and also we have the vent visors themselves right here. So what I'll do is I'll take them out of this plastic, also this here, and then we're going to talk about exactly what we have, and then we'll proceed to install. And here's all what we have in the box. So of course we do have the vent visor itself, and we'll do install on the driver's door, and then the rest you just follow the steps because they're all the same how to install it. So it will come on here. As we can see, it has this tape on it, and essentially you just remove the tape, you line them up where you want it to be. Of course, if you do it with two hands, it's a lot easier than with one right now. I'm just trying my best, so I'm not going to do it right now, but that's what I do. So you just line it up where you want to be, right here and here, and then you just put it on. So I'll try to summon some help here for that part, so that way I can show you exactly what I do. And then there's also two things that you need to know, or a few things rather than two. So there are these plastic pins. You just remove them whenever the time comes to put them on, because then what we'll do is, right now we will install these hooks, and these hooks are going to be here, installed right here, and one right there where those pins are, to just kind of hold it in place. And it's a bit tricky to install them. That's why I have that pick there that I had, and I can't do it with one hand. You got to do it with both hands. I'm going to just get somebody to help me to shoot this video right now, so we can proceed to install, and you'll see exactly what to do. Okay, I got some help here, so now I can show you how to install the vent visor. So here's what we want to do first. First, you want to make sure that you line it up while the tape is on. Exactly find the spot where it's going to be. So what I do is, typically I line it up here with almost the same line. I leave a little bit of gap like this. Same thing on the side here. You want to see it, okay, you'll leave a little bit of gap here, and this is going to be our happy spot how we're going to put it on, and then it's going to line up nicely on here as well. Now there are those two hooks that we need to install where these pins are. So one is going to be about here, the other one is going to be about there. So let's install them right now, because we have to do that before we put this vent visor on. And this is where we need this pick that will come in handy. You could do it with a screwdriver as well, I think, but it's going to be just a little bit harder. So here's what you want to do. So this rubber folds over, so we need to take a pick and just unfold this part rubber right here. Then once you lift it up like this, you can see there is another rubber right here. So you kind of look from underneath and you pick this one here, so you create a bit of a gap here. So bit of a process, but again, don't rush, right? So once you have it like this, then you stick your finger in and you create a bit of a gap like this. So now we have this rubber up, that rubber is folded down like this, and what we do is then we take the one of those hooks, looks like this, and it goes, this part goes in. So you put it in right here, and then you slide it on the side, and then you wanna put it in here a little bit, and you test it. Pull it gently, a little gentle pull, don't pull it hard because you'll pull it out. If a gentle pull doesn't pull it out, you know you installed it the right way. So this one here sits in nicely, we want to have that. So then we proceed and do exactly the same thing on this side right here. So let's lift that rubber up a little bit, there we go. Now there's this secondary rubber right here, okay, we created the gap. Oh, it's always tricky. Okay, we created that gap. Again, just put that finger in, so that way we have this opening where we can put the hook in. This is how it goes in. Let's put it in like this. And now we can slide it a little bit, cover it, press it in like this. Gentle pull. Okay, now we know we've done a good job and it's there. If you pull it out, just repeat the same process again. Now let's go and get the vent visor. And with the vent visor, what I've found, it's actually better to use some type of pick on here as well, because these stickers, they come off fairly hard. So if you're gonna try it kind of a peel it off with a finger, it's gonna frustrate you a bit. With a pick like this is a lot easier. And the last little piece comes off nicely. So this is also where we want to remove these gray pins that protect the plastic pin underneath. Okay, now is game time. So now we want to remember where we wanted to align our vent visor. Okay, we put a little gap in here, a little gap from the front, okay? So we're happy like this. Okay, it's good. And then same thing, we follow the rubber line right here. Okay, we're good here. Press a little bit, then we'll press it a little bit harder. And now what we want to do is those hooks that we put it in, we slide on top of those plastic pins and we just put it on top of it and repeat it, same thing. Find it where it was, repeat it here, and to secure it, let's grab these little pins that we had right here. So it doesn't matter which side goes which direction, but the one side with the lettering I always like to put against the plastic so it's not visible from the outside. And we just push it on like that, clips on. Same thing here, we push it on, it clips on. And that's it. So now what we want to do, we just get our cloth, just clean off our fingerprints that we did. We push a little bit harder, but don't press too hard on here because you can break it. So just on that line where you put the tape on, let it settle in. And that's it. So now we installed a vent visor and we follow the same instruction on all 4 windows, and you can do it easily yourself. Just takes a little bit time, a little bit patience, especially on that rubber. Take your time, and that's it. So thank you so much for checking out this video. Head to mrmitsubishi.ca. That's where you can find these vent visors. Get one for your own Outlander, install it, and enjoy it.